Planning engineers play a vital role in the construction and engineering sector. They are responsible for creating project schedules, monitoring progress, analyzing potential delays, and ensuring that resources are used efficiently. Their work directly impacts the timely and cost-effective delivery of infrastructure, construction, and industrial projects. Because of the technical and managerial nature of this role, interviews for planning engineers assess both technical expertise and soft skills such as communication, problem-solving, and teamwork. In this guide, we will explore common planning engineer interview questions, provide sample answers, and share practical tips to help you succeed. Preparing in advance will allow you to demonstrate both your technical knowledge and your ability to manage complex projects under pressure. The role of a planning engineer. A planning engineer is primarily responsible for developing project schedules, allocating resources, and monitoring progress against planned timelines. They use software tools like Primavera P6 or Microsoft Project to create work breakdown structures, identify critical paths, and forecast potential bottlenecks. Their role is not just about charts and schedules. It involves close coordination with project managers, engineers, and stakeholders to ensure alignment and timely delivery. Employers look for candidates who can balance technical planning, foresight, and strong communication skills. Question 1. Tell me about yourself. Here's how you can answer. I am a qualified engineer with a strong background in project planning and scheduling. Over the past few years, I have gained hands-on experience in developing detailed project schedules using Primavera P6, monitoring progress, and reporting to management. I enjoy working in dynamic environments where accuracy, foresight, and teamwork are essential to success. This role excites me because it combines my analytical skills with my passion for delivering projects efficiently. Tip: keep your introduction short, professional, and tailored to project planning. Question 2. Why do you want to work as a planning engineer? Here's how you can answer. I want to work as a planning engineer because I enjoy combining technical knowledge with organizational skills to achieve tangible results. I like analyzing complex tasks, breaking them down into achievable steps, and ensuring that projects are delivered on time and within budget. This role also allows me to collaborate with diverse teams while contributing to the overall success of a project. Tip: show enthusiasm for organization, project management, and teamwork. Question 3. What project planning software are you proficient in? Here's how you can answer. I am proficient in using Primavera P6 and Microsoft Project for developing detailed schedules, tracking progress, and analyzing resource allocation. I also have experience with Excel for data analysis and reporting. My expertise in these tools allows me to create accurate project plans, monitor delays, and keep stakeholders updated with clear progress reports. Tip: be specific about tools you know and mention real-life usage. Question 4. How do you handle delays in a project schedule? Here's how you can answer. If a project experiences delays, I first analyze the root cause, whether it is resource shortages, procurement issues, or unexpected site conditions. Then I evaluate the impact on the overall schedule using techniques like critical path analysis. Based on this, I recommend corrective actions such as resource reallocation, adjusting sequences, or revising timelines. Clear communication with management and stakeholders is key to minimizing the impact of delays. Tip: emphasize analytical ability, problem solving, and proactive communication. Question 5. Can you explain what a critical path is? Here's how you can answer. The critical path is the sequence of tasks that directly determines the project's completion date. Any delay in these tasks will directly delay the entire project. As a planning engineer, I identify critical path activities, monitor them closely, and ensure that resources are allocated efficiently to keep them on track. Tip: keep the explanation simple but precise. Show that you understand its importance in real project management. Question 6. How do you communicate complex schedules to non-technical stakeholders? Here's how you can answer. I simplify complex schedules by presenting key milestones, visual charts, and progress summaries that are easy to understand. For example, I often use Gantt charts, dashboards, or short summary reports to highlight project health. My goal is to ensure that non-technical stakeholders understand the big picture without being overwhelmed by technical details. Tip: highlight clarity, adaptability, and strong communication. Question 7. How do you ensure accuracy in your project schedules? Here's how you can answer. I ensure accuracy by gathering reliable data from project teams, validating assumptions, and breaking down tasks into smaller, measurable activities. I also conduct schedule reviews with team members to identify possible errors or overlooked details. Regular updates and monitoring help keep the schedule realistic and accurate throughout the project lifecycle. Tip: stress attention to detail and collaboration. Question 8. Describe a challenging project you worked on and how you managed it. Here's how you can answer. In a previous role, I worked on a large infrastructure project that faced multiple delays due to material shortages. I revised the schedule, identified alternative suppliers, and coordinated with procurement to speed up delivery. By closely monitoring progress and maintaining regular communication with all departments, we were able to minimize the delay and deliver the project within acceptable limits. This taught me the importance of adaptability and cross-functional teamwork. Tip: use a real-life example that highlights problem-solving and leadership. Question 9. How do you balance cost, time, and quality in project planning? Here's how you can answer. I balance these three factors by prioritizing accurate planning from the start. I ensure that resource allocation is realistic, timelines are achievable, and quality is not compromised. If trade-offs are necessary, I consult with stakeholders to make informed decisions. The key is to maintain transparency and ensure that cost-saving measures do not harm quality or extend timelines unnecessarily. Tip: demonstrate strategic thinking and practical decision-making. Question 10. Why should we hire you as a planning engineer? Here's how you can answer. You should hire me because I bring a strong blend of technical expertise, analytical skills, and communication ability. I am proficient in planning tools, capable of managing complex schedules, and experienced in working with diverse project teams. I am also highly committed to delivering results, adapting quickly to challenges, and ensuring that projects are completed successfully. My dedication and knowledge make me a valuable asset to your team. Tip: summarize your skills and align them with the company's needs. Final thoughts. Planning engineer interviews are designed to test not just your technical knowledge of scheduling and tools, but also your ability to manage delays, communicate effectively, and coordinate with different departments. Employers want candidates who can think critically, adapt to challenges, and ensure that projects remain on track despite inevitable hurdles. By preparing structured answers, practicing real-life examples, and staying confident, you can present yourself as a capable and reliable planning engineer. Remember to emphasize your proficiency with planning tools, your problem-solving mindset, and your ability to collaborate with others. Ultimately, success in a planning engineer interview comes from demonstrating that you are not just a scheduler, but a strategic partner who contributes directly to the timely and successful delivery of projects. With preparation and confidence, you can make a strong impression and secure your place in this highly demanding but rewarding profession.